Hey guys, welcome to another building video. Today we're gonna build a plywood Almirah and this is the preview of this. Make sure to follow my steps to make your own. So first of all, I'm cutting my plywoods that I need to make for this Almirah. And guys, if you're watching this video from the art, then make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm from art. So brother, support brother. Anyway, after cutting the frame, I'm just trying to attaching it with these clamps and screw. After the frame was done, I started working over shelves. As you guys can see, this Almirah is not that strong, so I have to use some extra plywood so it gets strong. So I'm using several plywoods like this on every shelf. To get some detachable shelves on this Almirah, I am putting some little plywoods over here. So the structure is fully done and right now I'm cutting this 10 mm plywood to get it on the back side of the Almirah. Oh, celebration time with banana. And right now I am cutting down this plywood to make door for this Almirah. After cutting down the doors, I am installing the hinges for the Almirah. Also I am going to installing lock, knob and even magnetic I don't remember the name, but anyway. Alright, finally the making is done, but the hardest part is coming, the painting moment. And even deattaching all the screws and even reattaching it again after painting. So let's get started. For painting the Almirah, I am using this wood putty in some specific places where I want the like smooth surface, and I'm not using them in all over the place because this work is one of the hardest in painting. Anyway, after putting, I'm just scratching it so that I can use water sealer. Then I'm gonna start painting with what is the name of the paint? I think that okay, I remember that was enamel paint, white color, because all of my furnitures are white, so I'm choosing white right over here. Alright guys, finally the painting is done, and now I need to install everything again from scratch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share this with your friend who loves woodworking. And I also installed a glass on the left side of this Almirah because I could not see my face. Bye.